Solids, the molecules are held together by a force making the molecules immovable unless a greater force is applied. Do you remember from last time when we discussed what matter was? It is any physical material in our universe that has mass and occupies space. In Unit 1.2, we're going to go into the two main ways that matter is classified. The first is what its physical state is, such as gas, liquid, or solid. The second is its composition and whether it is a pure element, compound, or mixture. The three most basic states of matter are gases, liquids, and solids. Gases have no fixed shape or volume, and in most cases, they can be easily compressed. A good example of this is when you blow up a balloon. Depending on the strength of the balloon material, you can often squeeze the balloon into a smaller size. Liquids do have distinct volumes independent of the container they're in. The volume of water in a glass is the same as if you pour it into a dish. They also conform to that container. You can look at the different states of matter on the molecular level as well. With gases, the molecules or atoms are moving at high speed, and there is a large relative distance between each. The speed and distance decreases as you go to liquids and solids. Liquid molecules are packed more closely together, but the molecules can move easily, which enables the liquids to be poured. With solids, the molecules are held together by a force making the molecules immovable unless a greater force is applied. This accounts for solids' rigid structure. It's important to remember that pressure and temperature can play a large role in states of matter and the conversions between states. Most forms of matter that we encounter on a day-to-day basis are a mixture of many different molecules. The air we breathe is only about 20% oxygen. The rest is a mix of a bunch of other gases. The water we bathe in isn't just pure H2O. Often there's mixtures of salt ions in it as well. Lastly, the ground we walk on is composed of a vast variety of different elements. However, we can isolate mixtures into pure substances, which is matter that is composed of only one type of molecule or substance. All substances are either composed of elements or compounds on the molecular level. Elements are composed of only one type of atom, and compounds have two or more element atoms. Mixtures can contain more than one type of compound or element. The mixtures that vary in consistency, such as stone, are called heterogeneous mixtures, and mixtures with uniform composition, such as air and water, are called homogeneous mixtures or solutions. Thank you so much for spending your valuable time learning and bettering yourself. If you like the video and want to learn more, donate, or get tutoring, please check out my website, nocollegeneeded.org. You can use the code NCN for 20% off tutoring and any supplemental materials. If the subject isn't up yet, please be patient. I'm working on bringing them up as soon as I can.